Welcome to the 2026 CompTIA A Plus 220-1101 Hardware and Network Troubleshooting Practice Test. This test will have 20 questions with explained answers that will help you prepare for the test. Be sure to reboot that light button by turning it to white. Now here's your CompTIA instructor to walk you through the questions.
Question 1. APC powers on but displays no video and no post beeps. Fans are spinning. What should be checked first? A. Monitor input source. B. Graphics card seating. C. Operating system files. D. Hard drive connections. The correct answer is B. Graphics card seating, no video with spinning fans, often indicates an improperly seated or failed GPU. OS and storage issues would not prevent post. Monitor input should be checked, but internal hardware is the priority when there are no post indicators. Question 2. A printer leaves toner smudges that wipe off easily. What is the most likely cause? A. Empty toner cartridge. B. Dirty pickup roller. C. Failing fuser. D. Worn imaging drum. The correct answer is C. Failing fuser. Smudging that wipes off indicates toner is not being fused to the paper. The fuser bonds toner using heat and pressure. Pickup rollers affect feeding, and low toner causes faded prints, not smearing. Question 3. A laptop overheats and shuts down shortly after startup. What is the most likely cause? A. Corrupt BIOS. B. Failing hard drive. C. Blocked airflow. D. Bad network card. The correct answer is C. Blocked airflow. Blocked vents or dust buildup prevent proper cooling, leading to rapid overheating and shutdowns. BIOS corruption and storage issues do not cause thermal shutdowns. Question 4. APC can access internal servers but not external websites. What is most likely misconfigured? A. DHCP. B. DNS. C. Default gateway. D. Subnet mask. The correct answer is C. Default gateway. The default gateway is required to access networks outside the local subnet. Internal access confirms IP configuration is mostly correct. DNS issues affect name resolution, not routing. Question 5. A workstation randomly reboots under heavy load. Temperatures are normal. What should be checked next? A. RAM compatibility. B. Power supply wattage. C. Network drivers. D. BIOS date, time. The correct answer is B. Power supply wattage. Random reboots under load with normal temperatures often indicate an underpowered or failing PSU. RAM issues more commonly cause crashes or BSODs. Question 6. A laptop screen flickers when the lid is moved. What is the most likely cause? A. Failing GPU. B. Loose display cable. C. Bad backlight. D. Incorrect resolution. The correct answer is B. Loose display cable. Flickering tied to lid movement strongly indicates a loose or damaged display cable. Backlight failures cause dim images, not flickering. Question 7. A PC receives a 169.254.x.x address. What should be done first? A. Replace the NIC. B. Renew DHCP lease. C. Change DNS servers. D. Disable the firewall. The correct answer is B. Renew DHCP lease. API-IPA addresses indicate DHCP failure. Renewing the lease is the first corrective step before replacing hardware. Question 8. A printer frequently jams paper near the output tray. Which component should be inspected? A. Pickup roller. B. Transfer roller. C. Fuser assembly. D. Toner cartridge. The correct answer is C. Fuser assembly. Jams near the output tray often occur at the fuser, where paper exits after toner bonding. Pickup rollers cause input side jams. Question 9. APC produces continuous beeping during startup. What is the most likely issue? A. Storage failure. B. RAM not seated. C. Network failure. D. OS corruption. The correct answer is B. RAM not seated. Continuous post beeps commonly indicate RAM issues. Storage and OS problems occur after post completes. Question 10. A user reports slow network speeds only on Wi-Fi. Wired connections are fast. What is the most likely cause? A. ISP outage. B. bad Ethernet cable. C. Wireless interference. D. DNS failure. The correct answer is C. Wireless interference. Wireless-only slowdowns typically indicate interference or congestion. Wired performance confirms ISP and internal network are functioning properly. Question 11. A laser printer prints vertical streaks on every page. What component is most likely faulty? A. Pickup roller. B. Fuser. C. Imaging drum. D. Duplex unit. The correct answer is C. Imaging drum. Vertical streaks that repeat on every page indicate a defect on the imaging drum, since the same damaged area contacts each page consistently. Fuser issues cause smearing or toner that rubs off, not repeated streak patterns. Pickup rollers and duplex units affect paper handling, not image formation. Question 12. A system does not detect a newly installed SSD. What should be checked first? A. File system. B. OS drivers. C. BIOS UEFI settings. D. Antivirus software. The correct answer is C. BIOS UEFI settings. A storage device must be detected by BIOS UEFI before the operating system can interact with it. If the firmware does not see the SSD, drivers, file systems, and antivirus are irrelevant. Firmware recognition is always the first checkpoint. Question 13. A laptop battery drains very quickly. What settings should be checked first? A. Screen resolution. B. Power management profile. C. BIOS version. D. Wi-Fi password. The correct answer is B. Power management profile. Power management profiles directly control CPU performance, sleep behavior, and background activity, all of which impact battery life. Screen resolution has a smaller effect compared to CPU power states. BIOS version and Wi-Fi passwords do not cause rapid battery drain. Question 14. A user cannot access websites by name, but can access them by IP. What should be checked? A. DHCP. B. DNS. C. NAT. D. Firewall rules. The correct answer is B. DNS. If a user can reach websites by IP but not by name, name resolution is failing. DNS is responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses. DHCP and NAT affect addressing and routing, not name resolution. Question 15. A PC shuts down immediately after a new GPU is installed. What is the most likely cause? A. Incorrect drivers. B. Insufficient power supply. C. Corrupt OS. D. Bad monitor. The correct answer is B. Insufficient power supply. New GPUs often require significantly more power, and an underpowered PSU can cause immediate shutdowns under load. Driver or OS issues do not cut power instantly. A bad monitor would not cause the system itself to power off. Question 16. A printer prints completely blank pages. What should be checked first? A. Duplex settings. B. Toner cartridge. C. Paper tray. D. Network cable. The correct answer is B. Toner cartridge. Completely blank pages indicate that toner is not being applied to the paper at all. An empty or faulty toner cartridge is the most common and fastest check. Duplex settings, paper trays, and network connectivity do not prevent toner from being deposited. Question 17. A user reports no sound from external speakers. What should be checked first? A. Sound drivers. B. Volume settings. C. Speaker firmware. D. BIOS version. The correct answer is B. Volume settings. The troubleshooting process requires checking the simplest and most common causes first. Muted audio or low volume settings frequently cause no sound from speakers. Driver, firmware, or BIOS issues are less likely before basic settings are verified. Question 18. A wired network connection works intermittently. What is the most likely cause? A. DNS misconfiguration. B. Faulty Ethernet cable. C. IP conflict. D. Wireless interference. The correct answer is B. Faulty Ethernet cable. Intermittent wired connections are most commonly caused by damaged or poorly terminated Ethernet cables. DNS and IP conflicts affect connectivity consistently, not intermittently. Wireless interference does not impact wired connections. Question 19. A system clock resets every time the PC is powered off. What should be replaced? A. Power supply. B. CMOS battery. C. CPU. D. RAM. The correct answer is B. CMOS battery. The CMOS battery maintains BIOS settings, including date and time, when the system is powered off. A failing battery causes the clock to reset after shutdown. Power supplies, CPUs, and RAM do not store system time. Question 20. After completing a hardware repair, what should be done last? A. Test the repair. B. Document the fix. C. Verify system functionality. D. Escalate the issue. The correct answer is B. Document the fix. Documentation is the final step after testing and verifying system functionality in the CompTIA A troubleshooting methodology. Testing and verification occur before closure. Escalation is unnecessary once the issue has been resolved.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Check out these videos that can help you with your CompTIA exam. If you need more help beyond these videos, we have free practice tests on our website. We have the links down in the description. Don't forget to reboot that like button and subscribe to our channel.